I really love pellet extrusion. I think it really opens up. There's so many, when we did initial voice of customer starting Chromatic, I thought one customer put it exactly right. They said, look, when I'm picking a pellet, I've got 10,000 materials to choose from. When I'm doing 3D printing, it's 10. And maybe 3D printing's up to 50, but it's not 10,000. And I think pellet extrusion really opens up that possibility.
Again, application driven. I think there's various applications where pellet printing is definitely a better solution. But when you get into smaller, more intricate components, I think filament printing, along with a lot of the different advanced materials that are available there, might be a better fit. So I don't think it'll completely replace it.
I think the pellet market it's going to grow. The missing piece, much like design engineers understanding how to design for 3D printing, is the know-how on the operator side of how to operate pellet-driven machines. There's a little bit more that goes into operating a pellet process, and I think that's the piece. And people that nail it love it.
Obviously, if you take a broad brush look at that market space, it's still very much an emerging technology. There's a few players in it. Companies comparable to yours that offer that size printer. And then if you go large scale, it's even less. I think, tooling will continue because that's where it's probably established a foothold already, and will continue, probably to expand in that. But I think as some of these other areas expand, not only in material development, but software and design and just being able to print larger things, will expand into other markets and enable other applications.